A lot of people have been asking, what if I don't know how to find these orange levels, right? What if I don't know if it classifies as an orange level? Yeah, you can trade as well. Watch this, right? Let's just zoom in on here. Zoom in on here. What do we see, right? We see a strong rally up, consolidation, another rally up, come back down, rally up, come back down, consolidation, ton of consolidation, right? Okay. We see here the support right here. What happens as soon as we break this support? We fall, we come back, and now what does this act as? Resistance. All you need to know is that, right? What do? That's it. Why? You have a gap fill here. Gap fill, right? Put your rectangle there from here to there. Why? We have support, flung up. Support, flung up. Next, support, flung up. Support failed, flung down, came back in. This acted as what? Resistance. Okay. Right? Okay. Keep moving. Now we're here. You see this push down. Consolidation. Pop back up, right? Pops back up into what? This is resistance now. Instead of taking this trade right here, right, and trying to take it, I'm like, okay, I'll take it here. Stop loss right here. Zoom in. Oh, they got me stopped out. Instead of trying to take this trade here to try to go all the way down, and you don't know if it's going down, we need buyers to step in. So then there's more sellers hitting the market orders to fling it down. So what do we see here? We see a push down, right? And this is all after hours. This is all after hours on Thursday, Wednesday to Thursday. We see sellers stepping in, hitting the buy, hitting the bid, dropping it, pushing it down. What do we need? Fib. That's all you need. Take a fib from the top to the bottom of this move. From the top to the bottom of this move. You get the push up. What happens immediately as we enter golden pocket? Immediately we enter, we get a flush. So what can you do? Sometimes I'll just enter if I get any close inside golden pocket. Where was the close? The green candle. I don't care if it's green, red, blue, orange, whatever. I'm entering here. Where's my stop? My stop loss should not be above here. Should be above 78.60, and you also can coincide it with any other candle you see here, like this one, right? Any type of where there's sellers present. We wanted to step in before. Because why? If I set my stop loss up here, above here, right? What are the likelihood that we come like this, come all the way up here, and then we just fall? It's not likely, right? Because we're expecting it the move into golden pocket in a dump. This is what we're expecting. What happened? We're expecting that. So if we get above golden pocket's invalid now, and we're still in an uptrend because of that, right? Stop loss anywhere above golden pocket, 78.60 a little bit before. You can even do 78.60 if you really want. I just like giving myself a cushion for this candle here. So then where do we take it? You can take it at negative 23.60, negative 23.60, or the negative 61.80. 1 to 7 or 1 to 4.96, right? You can even, if you want, wait for an actual rejection of this level. Better probability. There's the rejection. Boom, off golden pocket. What do? Make it a 1 to 5. Now you're making it a enter there. Stop loss is now above this candle. 1 to 3, right? So you're missing out on 2%, on 2 risk rewards extra. That's why I'm fine just losing it. I don't care. I'm okay with losing it. And then this is on the 30-minute. We found this. Super simple. Even if you go to the 5-minute, you come here, right? You can even just wait for this rejection here. or this one right there. Stop loss right there. And that's a 1 to 15, literally just at the negative 2360. And that's even before market open. You're already in the play before market even opens. If you even want to, right? More like for sure, enter here. Stop loss above there. That's still a 1 to 7. Now what else can you do to keep this trade going? Keep this trade going. Smooth this over. Like our entry. Keep this trade going. We have what? VWAP is the blue, and we have 21 EMA. Just ride the 21. When does the 21 tell us to get out? It's not here. It's not here at the negative 60, 180, right? It's not until here. It's not until we get a close above the 21. And what happens? Yeah, we get a little bit of rejection down, but we can pop back up. And then the day just ends right here, right? So you can save yourself or give yourself more, let the trade run more by just following the 21 EMA. So you could have had a 1 to 10, more conservative 1 to 7, 1 to 10, or get out here 1 to 14. At the very bottom, it was a 1 to 18. Are you getting that? No. 1 to 14. That's how you trade without even knowing how to use the orange levels. Once, real quick, recap. Support, 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 turned resistance. Come over here. What do we see? We see resistance push down. We come back into the resistance, pushes down. Easy setup. Fib from top to bottom. We enter here, enter there. You can even enter here if you want. Enter there. Stop is above here. 1 to 3, 1 to 2.95, 1 to 4.52. If you want, you can even enter on a 1 hour when you get a green candle close. So 1 to 6. So I'm not a big fan of entering on 1 hours, but you can do it. That's how you trade using fibs and not knowing or needing to know any of these orange levels. Got any questions, concerns, reach out to my email, pyrontrades@gmail.com. Can train you as well. Thanks.